The 2025 Audi A4 Avant is here, redefining luxury wagons with power, performance, and cutting-edge technology. This latest model brings sharper styling, enhanced efficiency, and dynamic handling, making it one of the most exciting wagons on the market. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi A4 Avant comes with a range of powerful options, including a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine producing up to 265 horsepower. For those seeking efficiency, a mild hybrid system improves fuel economy and responsiveness. Performance lovers will appreciate the Quattro all-wheel drive system, which delivers superior grip and control, making it a joy to drive in all conditions. Plus, an S4 Avant variant is expected to push out over 350 horsepower for those who crave more excitement. Step inside and you'll find an ultra-modern cockpit with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and the latest Audi MMI technology. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system make every ride more immersive. The leather sport seats, customizable ambient lighting, and panoramic sunroof enhance the luxury feel, while advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and a 360-degree camera system ensure top-tier protection. The 2025 Audi A4 Avant is expected to hit the market in late 2024, with first deliveries arriving in early 2025. Pricing is expected to start at $43,000, with higher performance trims reaching $56,000 plus. The 2025 Audi A4 Avant blends practicality, power, and premium features, making it the perfect wagon for those who love style and performance. Are you excited for this model? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car updates. See you in the next one.